Ever heard of Tabata? It's like the ninja of workouts, straight out of Japan and designed for Olympic speed skaters. Talk about hardcore, right? Imagine this, 20 seconds of intense sprinting, followed by a quick 10-second breather, and you repeat this 7 to 8 times. In a nutshell, it's a mere 4 minutes, but here's the kicker. The goal is to hit total exhaustion. Crazy, right? Now, the buzz around this workout exploded because the results were mind-blowing. Doing this 4-minute drill 4 times a week led to impressive improvements in both aerobic and anaerobic systems. Now, while the original Tabata might be a bit much for most of us, there's still something valuable here for our fitness journey. So, stick around as we will be going to discover the 10 real-life benefits of doing Tabata every day. Number 1. Improves your anaerobic endurance. So let's talk about this thing called anaerobic endurance. It's basically your muscles flexing their strength even when the oxygen is playing hard to get. Ever felt that burn during sprints or pumping iron? That's the magic of anaerobic endurance. They're like endurance boot camp for your muscles, showing them how to hustle better with the oxygen they've got. So, when you're conquering those intense activities, know that Tabata isn't just a workout. It's your scientifically proven ally in building endurance and smashing fitness goals. Number 2. It burns your fat. You're pushing your limits in those short, intense bursts, and guess what? Your heart rate is soaring, and so is your metabolism. The best part? This isn't a one-time deal. Your body becomes a fat-burning machine, not just during the workout, but long after you've wrapped it up. No waiting around for that elusive fat-burning zone. Tabata throws you right into the mix from the start and keeps the burn alive for hours. Research spills the beans that Tabata can be up to 5 times more effective in torching calories than your usual cardio grind, all in just 4 minutes. Number 3. Protect your muscle tissue. You know the struggle is real. You want to shed those pounds, but you don't want to kiss your hard-earned muscles goodbye, right? Well, enter the hero of the story, the Tabata method. It's like the magic wand for your muscles. Forget about those long, boring cardio sessions that might munch on your muscle gains. With Tabata, it's all about high-intensity, quick workouts that do wonders for your muscle tissue. In just a short burst, you're telling your body, hey, I need more muscle here. It's like a muscle wake-up call. Your lean body mass shoots up, giving that fat a run for its money. Number 4. Flexible workout. We all know the struggle of juggling work, family, and basically life itself. Time is a rare gem, and finding a moment to exercise can feel like mission impossible. But hold up. Here's a game changer for you. Just 4 minutes. Yep, you heard me right. You need to eliminate the "I'm too busy" excuse because Tabata training is about to become your fitness BFF. No need to splash cash on gym memberships or fancy gadgets. Just grab yourself or some simple home gear like bands and dumbbells. Tabata is like the superhero of workouts. Quick, effective, and doesn't demand everyday commitment. Twice a week is all you need to tap into those fantastic benefits for your health. Number 5. Raises your metabolism. When you hit Tabata workouts, your body gets pushed out of its comfort zone, tapping into that anaerobic energy system. Sounds fancy, right? Here's the deal. Your body works extra hard to get back to normal, and that's where the magic happens. Your metabolism stays revved up, burning calories even when you're catching some Z's. It's called EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, and it's like your body's post-workout bonus round. Number 6. Improves your cardio capacity. Ever wondered how to level up your cardio game without spending hours on a treadmill? Well, Tabata workouts is the answer, your new best friend in the fitness world. So, here's the deal. Tabata isn't just a fancy name, it's a game changer for boosting your cardio capacity. Imagine this, short, intense bursts of exercise, followed by quick chill sessions. It's like giving your body a turbo boost. See, when you do Tabata, your body gulps down more oxygen than your regular treadmill jog. Translation, you're not just sweating, you're supercharging your cardio endurance. Number 7. Enhances insulin sensitivity. High-intensity interval training and its secret superhero power, boosting insulin sensitivity. Now, I know, insulin sensitivity might sound like a complex term, but stick with me. It's a game changer for keeping type 2 diabetes at bay. Picture this. You smash a HIIT workout, and boom, your body becomes a pro at handling that sugar rush, keeping your blood glucose in check. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism spilled the beans. 12 weeks of HIIT was like a magic wand, making insulin sensitivity shoot up by a whopping 20%. But here's the plot twist. HIIT and moderate intensity workouts were equally awesome in this superhero saga. Number 8. Improves cardiovascular fitness. When you go full throttle in those 20-second Tabata bursts, your heart works overtime, adapting and getting stronger. Studies show that this high-intensity interval training, HIIT, not only boosts cardiovascular fitness, but also improves your heart's efficiency. It's like giving your ticker a turbo boost. So, every time you conquer those Tabata intervals, you're not just sculpting muscles, you're turning your heart into a powerhouse. Number 9. Quick stress relief. Let's talk about Tabata and stress relief. It's not just about sweating it out. There's some cool science behind it. When you dive into a Tabata session, those intense intervals trigger a release of endorphins, your body's natural stress busters. It's like a quick shot of happiness. Plus, focusing on the workout distracts your mind from daily stressors. Studies show that short bursts of high-intensity exercise, like Tabata, can significantly reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. So, not only are you sculpting that bod, but you're also giving stress a swift kick. Number 10. Different workouts. You see, the magic of Tabata lies in its variety. You can switch up exercises like jumping jacks, squats, or burpees, making every session a surprise for your muscles. Why does that matter? Well, it prevents workout monotony, targets different muscle groups, and keeps the fitness journey fun. And you know what's cool? Studies show that mixing up exercises can actually improve overall fitness and keep you more motivated to stick with your routine. It's like having a fitness playlist where every track is a hit. If you're tired of the same old workout routine, Tabata is your golden ticket to fitness excitement. Remember, variety not only keeps it fun, but also keeps those muscles guessing and growing. So, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's crush those fitness goals together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share your Tabata journey in the comments below. Until next time, stay awesome, stay sweaty, and keep rocking that Tabata life.